Hey guys, Joe Jordan Bikes. Got a Harley Davidson FXSB Breakout here for you. Look at it. Stands out like a sore thumb. It's awesome. So here's a stage one. Comes with the open induction kit, the Vance and Hines pipe. It sounds immense. I'll give it a fire up for you in a second. It has got hard flake paint, which is an optional extra. And look at it, it sparkles, it really does, it's lovely. It is a 2015 on a 15 plate, so 1,954 miles. Really nice piece of kit. Bike has been lowered a little bit, it's got a lowered seat, lowered handlebars, but we do get them, we have got them standard as well. I'll give it a quick fire up for you. What you're waiting for, guys? Coming down and see this bike, 'cause it is really nice. See you soon, guys. Beast.
We'll be right back.